You've always wanted to start a business but don't have a clue on what you should do. Or you've always wanted to make money online. Well, these are the best and most lucrative online business ideas and can be combined in a variety of ways to start a business that's uniquely yours. The first business idea is start a dropshipping business. Buy stock, store it, pick it, pack it, ship it. Forget all that. Managing inventory is a big commitment when you're running a business. Dropshipping is an easy, low cost business idea to start. Dropshipping is a fulfillment model where a third party supplier stores and ships inventory to customers on your behalf. It's one of the best businesses to start because it's a low overhead, hands off, and scalability. You don't need to handle any products yourself. You just need to make the sales and pass orders on to your supplier. In fact, it's one of the quickest and cheapest businesses to start. You can curate products from one or more suppliers into your own online store under a theme that focuses on a specific niche, like gear for yoga enthusiasts or water bowls for dog owners. When a customer buys a product from you, the order is sent to your supplier, who fulfills it on your behalf. However, you're still responsible for your own marketing and customer service. There are both local and overseas suppliers you can work with. For example, AliExpress, eBay, and Etsy. As long as you can establish a relationship with them built on trust, an unreliable supplier will reflect poorly on your brand. Dropshipping is a great way to test product market fit and launch a business before you invest in your own original products. Just be sure to always order a sample for yourself to make sure your supply is reliable and that the quality of the product is fit for selling to your customers. The second business idea is design and sell print on demand t shirts. This is kind of a dropshipping model. Print on demand puts inventory, shipping, and fulfillment in the hands of a third party supplier. But unlike the dropshipping business idea, the focus here is on customizing products with their own designs to create something original. T-shirts, hats, phone cases, hoodies, skirts, tote bags, and more become canvases for your creativity. You can think up slogans for developers or references that resonate with cat owners. Just target a particular community or niche. If there's a passion and pride within a community, there's a potential t-shirt business you can start. Even if you're not a designer, you can find one to work with using freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Dribble, or 99 Designs. You can also create your own designs on Canva. With many print on demand services, you are paying per product, so the base price per unit will be more expensive than if you were to order in bulk. But the advantage is that if a certain t-shirt design doesn't sell, you haven't actually paid for the item yet, only the design if you had sourced it. You can even use t-shirt mockup templates so you don't need to spend extra money on a full photo shoot for every new design. There are a variety of print-on-demand platforms you can work with, many of which can be integrated with their online store, for example, Shopify or Etsy, for seamless order fulfillment. However, be sure to always order a sample of your product to make sure your custom products look good. The third business idea is create digital products or online courses. Digital products like masterclass, music, courses, podcasts, and templates are unique on this list of low investment small businesses ideas. Unlike the others, they're not tangible. There aren't recurring manufacturing or shipping costs to worry about, so your margins can remain high, making it another no brainer for being one of the best businesses to start. The trick is figuring out what makes for a good digital product. What is useful enough that people are willing to pay to download or buy it? The answers range from original instrumental beats to stock photos that can be licensed to other creators to information products and templates that help people level up their skill sets and knowledge in a particular field. If you've got a talent that can be turned into a digital product, think about packaging it into a new stream of income. The next business idea is sell a service. Offering services isn't passive, but it certainly can be a lucrative way to gain self employment. With services based small business ideas, time is your inventory and your biggest investment. You've only got a limited supply of hours in your day. However, that makes it easier to get up and running if you've got skills that are in demand. Writers, graphic designers, virtual assistants, SEO practitioners, cleaning service providers, dog walkers, real estate professionals, and more can build a business around their skills. You could offer these skills as an ongoing service or start a consulting business that advises on projects. It's one of the best business opportunities because it can be expanded with any of the other ideas to create additional revenue streams by productizing services through physical or digital goods. A photographer, for example, can service a local event while selling prints online through their Instagram account. A freelance writer can sell a copywriting swipe file of high converting sales copy. Coupling your service based business with physical products can give you another source of income that isn't tied directly to your time. You can also offer your services through a freelance marketplace like Upwork to increase your chances of getting discovered by the people who need your skills. The fifth one is build an audience you can monetize. In today's connected world, the ability to capture and keep the attention of others is an asset. It's one that many businesses are even willing to pay for, and one that many creators are able to convert into a business with multiple revenue streams. Whether you choose to grow your following on YouTube, Instagram, or a blog, ideally you can use a combination of different channels. You have many avenues for monetizing your audience. And some ways you can do this is through sponsored posts on behalf of brands, becoming an influencer, selling physical or digital products, affiliate marketing, Patreon, and a combination of the above that are not mutually exclusive. Taking an audience first approach to a small business idea means you're playing the long game. It might be months until you've figured it out, but you don't need millions of followers to do it. Another online business idea is create a membership program. Online memberships are ideal for entrepreneurs with an established, active, and engaged community. They work much like a subscription based business. Customers make recurring payments in exchange for a virtual product or service. Memberships are great for managing members only access to content on our website, and even for physical businesses that offer guided sessions online. Yoga studios, gyms, clubs, and art schools are a few examples of businesses that can easily take advantage of this business model. Since this content is behind a gate that only paying subscribers can access, you can also host exclusive live streams in addition to or instead of downloadable content. Regardless of the route you take, be sure to record in a quiet space so the audio is clear and distraction free. It's also a good idea to use email marketing to keep your members informed of new content. Emails, video teasers, and customer testimonials are great ways to build excitement for new launches. The next business idea is join an affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing refers to a performance based marketing tactic where a business pays people, who are called affiliates, to promote and sell products for them. Every time an affiliate brings in a new customer, they receive a commission from the business. Affiliates can promote products on their blogs, social media accounts, or websites, or in communities. For many, affiliate marketing is a low cost side hustle that turns into a profitable business over time. To join an affiliate program, take the following steps. Find an affiliate program on sites like ShareSale, CJ, Amazon Affiliates, ClickBank, or Linkshare. Choose offers you want to promote, get an affiliate link, promote that link across your assets, get a commission every time someone signs up, or makes a purchase through your link. Commission rates vary depending on the company and offer. You could earn as low as 5% for each sale, while some commissions can be as high as 50% if you are promoting a class or event. Some affiliate programs also offer a flat rate versus a percentage. This is another online business idea that you could start. Become a social media management consultant. There are over 4.7 billion active social media users around the world. That's nearly 60% of the world's population. Not to forget that the world right now is in the digital space and a lot of people are earning a living through content creation. Between YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and all other social networks available, brands need help managing their accounts. A social media manager is responsible for creating and analyzing content for brand social accounts. Clients will pay you to create engaging content, write attractive bios, respond to comments, run ads, and more. You could charge by the hour or by project rate. You could also offer coaching services to those who want to be social media managers. The world of self employment can be challenging, but with a little hard work and know how, you can work towards building your own business. You can choose to do these businesses as a side hustle or a full time business, but either way, you will make money online from anywhere in the world. This is the first of the business series I'll have on this channel. Do stick around to learn of other lucrative business ideas, how to choose the best business ideas, and so much more. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.